Hello, this is Sandman22. Probably not gonna talk. And I'm going to be shortening some wires for you for my power supply for my AT-AT walker. Right here, I'm working on probably the 8-pin. Yeah, the 8-pin because I don't have the 6-pin. It'll have to be the 8-pin PCI connector, which is I got right here. It's blue instead of the regular black. Thought I'd be a little more neat. Anyway, okay. First thing I'm going to do is just measure out a rough distance. Like about right there would be good. So now I'm gonna get these wires cut at a little length for error and for for error and for like bad pins. Usually I need to shorten it up a little bit. That and just a little slack would be good. Keeps tension off of the power supply. Just cutting 2 at a time. That's all I can really do at the moment. So I got needle nose that I'm using to cut these wires. Okay. And I discovered that if I just cut this end off, I still have reference to where all the wires should go into the pins. And that just makes it a lot easier. Okay. And it saves me using depinning everything. Alright, first thing. I usually just take one of these wires. Let me zoom this in for you. Adjust. Okay. Take one of these pins and then I strip them with the strippers just so that it's barely poking out. I need about that much. And let's see, grab some pins. But these, they're female ATX pins. They're only like 20 cents for 4 of them at frozencpu.com. Let's get it in the frame right there. Just break one of them off. Okay, let's see if I can get this. 3rd time's the charm, right? Looks like it'll crimp on good. Perfect on the wire. I usually go on the smaller crimp. Go on to the one at the end and give it a couple clicks. Not all the way. Let's see, right in the middle right there. And then just manually release it instead of letting it go all the way. Helps keep the part that latches onto the plastic tighter. Okay, and using this as reference, it looks like all the yellows are on the bottom, 3 on the right. Alright. Well, just according to this reference, it's all the bottom, 3 on the right. So let's grab our our new guy. Make sure, because I get really nervous. Okay. And we'll just set you right there. That's 1 pin.